Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Looking to maximize those gains with high APY on your crypto? Today, I'm going to show you how to access Binance staking pools. First things first, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is super easy. Once logged in, hover over the Earn tab on the top navigation bar. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Staking. Now you'll see a range of staking options available. Let's break down the most popular ones for you. Locked staking. This is where you can earn higher APY by locking your crypto for a set term. It's perfect if you plan to HODL and want to make your assets work for you. The longer the lockup period, the higher the potential rewards. Flexible staking. If you prefer liquidity, flexible staking allows you to stake your crypto without a fixed term. You can unstake anytime, but keep in mind the APY might be lower compared to locked staking. DeFi staking. This involves staking your crypto in decentralized finance protocols through Binance, offering you another way to earn rewards. It's a bit riskier, so make sure you understand the protocols first. To get started, simply choose your preferred staking option, select the crypto you want to stake, and follow the prompts. You'll see the estimated APY and the duration for locked staking. And there you have it. Staking on Binance is a fantastic way to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. Remember, always do your own research and assess the risks involved. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and tricks.